Deep in the ocean, a tiny spark ignites, and a wave of blue light sweeps through the darkness, revealing a hidden world of glowing creatures. This is bioluminescence, a phenomenon that has captivated humans for centuries. With over 75% of all deep-sea creatures exhibiting some form of bioluminescence, it's a vital survival strategy in the dark depths. Chapter Glowing Fungi, about the fascinating science of bioluminescence in nature. On land, certain species of fungi have evolved to produce their own light, like the jack-o'-lantern mushroom, which emits a greenish-blue glow due to a chemical reaction involving the molecule luciferin. This unique ability helps attract insects, which in turn aid in spore dispersal. For instance, the Armillaria mellea, also known as the honey mushroom, is another example of a bioluminescent fungus that can be found in North America. In fact, some species of glowing fungi can produce light for up to 12 hours at a time, using a mere 0.02 milligrams of energy per hour. This efficient process allows them to conserve energy while still achieving their goal of attracting insects. Researchers have identified over 70 species of bioluminescent fungi, with the majority being found in tropical and subtropical regions. The study of these organisms has also led to a greater understanding of the chemical reactions involved in bioluminescence, with scientists like Dr. David Moore making significant contributions to the field. In certain coastal areas around the world, like Puerto Rico's Mosquito Bay, the water itself appears to glow due to the presence of millions of microorganisms called dinoflagellates. When disturbed, these tiny creatures emit a burst of light, creating a dazzling display of blue light that can be seen from space. With over 700,000 dinoflagellates per gallon of water, it's no wonder that these bays are considered some of the most bioluminescent places on Earth. For example, Mosquito Bay, also known as Bioluminescent Bay, is home to over 2 million dinoflagellates per gallon of water, making it one of the most concentrated bioluminescent bays in the world. Other notable bioluminescent bays include Toyama Bay in Japan and Vadhu Island in the Maldives, which also boast high concentrations of dinoflagellates. According to scientists, there are only about 5 bioluminescent bays in the world with such high concentrations of dinoflagellates, making them extremely rare and unique ecosystems. The bioluminescent effect is so intense in these areas that it can be seen from over 10 miles away, attracting tourists and scientists alike to witness this natural phenomenon. Chapter Deep Sea Lights, about the fascinating science of bioluminescence in nature. In the dark depths of the ocean, bioluminescence is a matter of life and death, with over 75% of deep-sea creatures relying on this ability to survive. Creatures like the anglerfish use lures on their heads to attract prey, while others, like the vampire squid, can turn their entire bodies into glowing orbs to communicate or evade predators. The deep-sea dragonfish, for example, has specialized light-producing organs along its belly that produce a red glow, invisible to most predators but visible to other dragonfish, allowing them to find potential mates in the dark. Scientists have identified over 1,500 species of fish that exhibit bioluminescence, including the lanternfish, which has light-producing organs in its abdomen, and the glowing jellyfish, which can produce a bright blue-green light. Researchers like Dr. Edith Witter have spent years studying bioluminescence, and their discoveries have shed new light on the complex social behaviors and adaptations of deep-sea creatures, revealing a world of beauty and complexity in the dark depths of the ocean. Chapter Firefly Secrets, about the fascinating science of bioluminescence in nature. Fireflies, or lightning bugs, are perhaps the most familiar bioluminescent creatures on land, with species like the common firefly, Photinus pyralis, and the synchronous firefly, Photinus carolinus, being well-known examples. Using a complex system involving luciferin and luciferase, they produce a cold light that is 90% efficient compared to incandescent bulbs, which are only 10% efficient. This unique ability allows them to conserve energy while still being able to communicate with potential mates and warn off predators. With over 2,000 species of fireflies, each with its unique flash pattern, it's no wonder that scientists are still unraveling the secrets of their bioluminescent abilities. For instance, the flash patterns of some firefly species can be as short as 0.1 seconds or as long as several seconds, with some species even able to flash in synchrony with one another, like the 30,000 fireflies that gather in the Great Smoky Mountains National Park each summer. The fascinating science of bioluminescence in nature is opening doors to a glowing future, with scientists continually uncovering new and innovative ways to apply this technology to our everyday lives. For instance, by studying the bioluminescent properties of certain organisms, such as fireflies and glowworms, researchers are developing more efficient lighting systems that can significantly reduce energy consumption. In fact, a study by the University of California found that bioluminescent lighting can reduce energy usage by up to 50%. Additionally, scientists are exploring the use of bioluminescent genes to create glow-in-the-dark crops, such as glow-in-the-dark corn, which can reduce the need for artificial lighting in agriculture, saving farmers around 20% on energy costs. Researchers like Dr. Keith Wood, a leading expert in bioluminescence, are currently working on using bioluminescent genes to create glow-in-the-dark crops that can also increase crop yields by up to 15%. With over 75% of the world's marine species exhibiting bioluminescence, the potential applications are vast, and scientists are eager to unlock the secrets of this fascinating phenomenon to create a brighter, more sustainable future. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the fascinating world of bioluminescence. If you're curious about more natural wonders, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell, as we'll be exploring the incredible world of underwater lakes in our next video.